Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to take video screenshots in CapCut. For that, make sure you open your CapCut application and import the videos according to your preference. Now, in order to take the screenshot, firstly you need to choose the part that you want to take the screenshot of. After you are done choosing the part, here at the top, here you can see 3-line icon. You need to click on it. And this kind of interface will appear, and at the third you can see this option export till frames. You need to click on this. Again, this kind of interface will appear. Here now you can change the name according to your preference. Likewise, you can also change the file application. Likewise, you can choose this resolution according to your preference, and after that you also can change the format. Likewise, you can also import this project. It is according to your preference. You can either turn it off or turn it on. After you are done, you can simply click on export. And now here you can see that the screenshot has been taken. And this is how you take screenshot in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.